interest tele and thering edge YouTube ngin tung di khar kor la yin la na thering kinzo sama nya ji ya buzu unju ni ha go yo gi re di kyung go gum je khari la na thering anso pheba chi so na la ni ngi mo ge chim bo chi gre da thering chin de chung ni che chung ni mo de la ni gon sa kyam ngyon chok la ni no wi shwe sing da di thob ngi mo de re ra an chi lo chik tong gup gya ge chu ge wo ngi mo de la ni no wi shwe sing da di thob re an thalo ani lo sum so jik store ra ni sing da di thob ni lo sum so jik store ra 아니 다른 예지 유튜브 년동데 나라야 갸가 카시스나 나라 로파 갸가 카시스나 년동 춘주 춘주인데 쇠야 아니 공사초라니 찌와 람네니 콘수기 칸디 찌와 땡게 두곤데 참마야 베진 나랑 연이 베진 춘주시야 나랑 따부이나야 공사초라 찌와 슉침부여라 가진나나 갸가 지긴 바차네 아니 공사초 코나 있는 아주 나랑 지 갸가 롱발라 슈고레스 아니 나랑 디 pechas din sum chachimbu in samgidura and chiktanga dharamsala dehore ani gongsa choga jing indam langa dehore and like I am truly blessed to have his holiness Dalai Lama in my very own country India rea ani ding entung dinala ni ngara jiroba khashish ki ani byojin chioria kunzo gi ani his holiness lani khachewa khazu me ta ditye gi ani byojin chioria ani kinsama toyo re wa ni mai na da anzo 다 다른기 니모디 제고 다든지 숙침부 소유여산 달로디 개구시메네 아까지 유에다 티스티스 여기래냐 여기래냐 인데 숙침부 제가 여기 말이야 아니 원신에 긴조 창마 과요면데 긴조 낭라 되네 아니 셀리브레이션 라네 긴조 칸데 셀리브레이트 치고이나 긴조 창마 낭라 되네 아니 셀리브레이션 데 치로 낭야 아니 창마 데라니 단땅이야 지 로바 딘소기 아니 디나 메시지 겐동 진주 카시라 아니 긴조 창마 시로 낭
Today is a day to rejoice, a day to remember. Today I take the opportunity to congratulate His Holiness the Dalai Lama for winning the Nobel Peace Prize in 1989. Yes, today is the 31st anniversary of the great day on which His Holiness won the Nobel Peace Prize. His Holiness is an epitome of peace and divinity, and I feel extremely privileged to let you all know that I hail from the place where His Holiness is present, that is Dharamshala. We feel extremely privileged to have His blessings here. Every year this day is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm. But due to coronavirus, this time we have certain limitations. But yet our spirit won't go down. And once again I congratulate His Holiness.
Everyone, this is Shivani Jastotia. Today I've got the opportunity to express my gratitude to congratulate His Holiness the Dalai Lama Ji. I congratulate him on achieving the Nobel Peace Prize on 10th of December 1989. I pray His Holiness the Dalai Lama Ji live for almost 100 eons and all his wishes fulfill spontaneously. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Taking this opportunity to congratulate His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji, as today marks the 31st anniversary of the Nobel Peace Winning Prize that was awarded to Shri Dalai Lama Ji on the very said day back in 1989. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to congratulate His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji for putting in immense efforts to strengthen the unity and standing against all the violence that has been done. Dear friends, it is the need of the time that such things like violence have to come to an end, and a peaceful atmosphere is the need of the hour, because in today's era we hardly find any time for ourselves, and seeing such violent scenes in and around completely disturb and distract us from our busy schedules. So I personally feel that many of us do follow the path that His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji has followed, and we come across to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you once again.
Today marks the day when 31 years ago His Holiness the Dalai Lama was conferred with the Nobel Peace Prize. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to him for having achieved this great award. His preachings are undoubtedly spreading all over the world, and I feel privileged to belong to Himachal Pradesh, especially Dharamshala, Devbhumi, the place where God resides. And yes, indeed, his preachings are pragmatic and have really affected society at large. Thank you.
Hello, this is a special thank you for Dalai Lama for being with us, showing us the right path, showing us how the life moves on. I am congratulating him yet again for his achievement, especially the Nobel Peace Prize. I just wish he has a great life and help us to see the vision that he has in his mind. Hopefully, in his lifetime, he gets to see Tibet as an independent state.
tuji che nang ani changma le la ngin dong dia ni to yong le rewa ye rang ala ngin dong chinju jik soya ji pyusin che la ani kin changma ani ngin dong de to yong le rewa ye ra ani thongma de la ni gongsa kya myu chumbo chok ani kuse sha pe te par sho tu ki te de thata dupa sho ani phege lo ani phirang je kyo po tho we rewa ta che phege lo jai hind tuje che nang ani kyo po je yong tuje nang